Good morning, ladies. Ladies. Just kidding. Okay, so I wanted to get on here really fast because I am on my way out the door. And before I went, I wanted to share with you some stuff that is out there again. So this is just because we're in like the midst of holiday shopping. I just love showing you what the best deals are. So first, really good deal. If you like glitter, okay, you have to like glitter to love this deal. So Anastasia has came out with this glitter kit. So all of these glitters are exactly like what they look like in the box. They are all white glitters. And then whenever you put them on, they have like a pink hue or a blue hue, but they're not like the flat glitters. I'm gonna pull one out and show you. And then you get like a real white glitter as well. And it comes with the glitter adhesive. This box, girl, and these are good size glitters. You'll have this for a long time. This box is $40. These glitters are so beautiful. I love that they have this like little flip top on it. And then oh my gosh, I love these glitters. Okay, so this is what they're gonna look like. My dog is wanting in. Excuse me. Come on in, Bella. Okay, that was Bella, everybody. Okay, so they're nice. Look at how beautiful that is. And they're nice, like they're not too chunky, they're not too whatever. This one I think is like the purple hue one. So I don't know. I think these are such a good deal. And then, you know, if you have daughters, nieces, nephews, sisters, moms, anybody. My mom swims in glitter. If she could swim in glitter. So this is a really good deal. Amazing. So that's a good one to keep a lookout for. Okay, this one, guys, check out these lip colors by Anastasia. So one of them is like a sheen, which I am gonna wear one today, and I am thinking about doing the like sheen looking one. And then you get 4 liquid lipsticks, 4 in really beautiful kind of like nude colors. There's 3 that are matte, 1 that is a sheen, and then this is a gloss, and the gloss is like incredible. So again, if you have those girls in your life and you want to do a stocking stuffer, one of these from the shelf would be, what is it, $22 or $24. So you get all 5 of these for $40. So this is a really inexpensive gift, and then you don't have to open them. You can just do stocking stuffers, or what I like to do, like what I was telling you guys is, I like to get stuff like this that has a lot of stuff in it, and then just kind of like, you know, put stuff in places. So let's do a quick try on. How do you get these out? Ooh, don't drop. Okay, let's try it on. I'm so excited. Get my mirror. Girl, stop playing. It's pretty. I've been into these like sheen. I make sure I get my whole lip, girl, my whole lip, some of my face too. So and then that's gonna dry down. And these are, you can eat, drink, anything, and then you shouldn't have to touch up. Maybe after you eat, you know, is like a fair assessment, but these are stay all day, so you should not have to touch up often. So I'm gonna stick that one in my bag. Okay. Those were my good deals for the day. And then now I just wanted to do like a little PSA. So I found the coolest thing. Let me show you. I'm gonna take my phone off of here really fast. Okay, so does anybody else have lashes like laying out on their desk like that? Or like in their bathroom, and then whenever you go into the bathroom in the middle of the night, you're like, ah, it's a spider. I do, okay? So anyways, here's this little Barbie caboodle case. They're only, I think they're $5.99, girl, and they will hold a few pair of lashes. So I'm excited about that. Now, me and my lash relationship do not have to be me trying to maul one in the middle of the night. So anyways, I wanted to do that. If you ladies have any questions, like if I've seen anything out, or if I know if there's one type of gift or another, please feel free, jump on, ask me. I am out often. I work in a store, so yeah, let me know if you need any help finding some fun goodies for Christmas. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, share. I'll do another giveaway here pretty soon. So I'll see y'all next time.